Hey Marty, I've examined your issue and I'm a little bit surprised that I found a solution because I thought I was about to send you an email and say don't worry about it. Um, it's just text edit. It's not really a true plain text editor, but actually it's pretty darn close. So let me see. Actually, let me see if I can move. I don't know if you can see the very top of my screen where my menus are. You may be able to see it, but it appears that Screencast-O-Matic may not be recording up there. But I think I did discover the solution to the problem. But what we're looking at right now is here's your little apostrophe that was the one in question. And right now it's showing as a straight quote. What you had earlier is a smart quote or curly quote. And I don't know if you can tell, but those two quotes there, those two apostrophes, just turned into curved, what we call smart quotes. And if you Google that, like straight quotes versus smart quotes, you can learn a little bit about that. Typographers are into smart quotes, so they're into the ones that curve. They think those are pretty. But coders are into straight quotes. To make technology run, you often need the straight quotes instead of the smart quotes. So what text edit does is it comes in and it tries to make them smart. And I think that's a new default setting because a few years ago this wasn't an issue. And I read about that online as well. Folks were saying that all of a sudden with the update, all of their quotes and all of their documents that are already created had turned smart or curly. So how do we turn this off? Because we need it to be straight so that it doesn't do that weird rendering that you were seeing. Right now this is going to render into the same problem. So I'm going to delete these apostrophes and I'm going to go up to, and let's see if I can find it. I think it's under the format menu. Okay, it's not the format menu. Okay. Up in the text edit menus you have one called edit, and if you go down to substitutions, we've got a number of different substitutions, and actually for real plain text editing you probably want to get rid of all this the smart quotes and the smart dashes as well. I'm not going to worry about the dashes right now, but if you see other issues come up when you're using dashes, then you'll probably want to turn that one off too. But if you turn off the smart quotes, now when you make your apostrophe, I don't know if you can see it, but it really is a vertical straight quote, and then it should render properly. So I'm going to file, save, I'll call it Marty 4. Oh, if no extension is provided, use txt. I'll get rid of that, so I can say .html. Save. And now I'm going to reopen it, and let's see what we've got. All right. So it looks like that worked because, yeah, I think that was the issue. So go ahead and try that, and I think you'll find that problem gets resolved. All right. Thanks so much.